Hi, I'm Bradley from BAYTI Real Estate. Welcome to the Cottage Furjan. This is a 3-bedroom type A cottage townhouse on the market for rent. It's a 3-bedroom plus maid's room. Straight ahead is your maid's room and your laundry. Just on the right, you've got a storage unit, and then heading into the laundry area with another large storage, and then a maid's room. The maid's room also has an attached bathroom. As you can see, very decent sized maid's room. Heading through the hallway on your left, you have another large storage. You can never have enough storage in your property. And then on the right hand side, you have a large semi-closed kitchen, easily closable. Very spacious, decent size, and a very bright house with natural light. Also downstairs, you have downstairs bathroom, or as they call it, a powder room. And then heading to an open plan living and dining area. Very good space, decent size unit. This unit is also single row, so there's no other property backing your property looking into your back garden. Also, the garden is fully landscaped. The cottage community is also very close to the Furjan East Pavilion, where you will find your Furjan club with your gym. You have your serving window for the kitchen. And then let's head upstairs. Upstairs you will see 3 bedrooms, the master bedroom ensuite, and the 2 other bedrooms has a shared bathroom, but a large bathroom, and then upstairs family living area. So this is the master bedroom, all built-in wardrobes. Very decent sized bedroom that has access to an outdoor balcony. Spacious and usable balcony, and then the master bedroom ensuite bathroom. So ensuite bathroom, very nice, well maintained. Heading towards the second upstairs bedroom. Again, a very decent size and spacious bedroom, also with a balcony. That's the shared balcony from the master's bedroom. Again, built-in wardrobe. And then this is a large shared bathroom for bedroom 2 and 3 upstairs. This is the upstairs family living room. Decent space, and then again access to a balcony. Great community view. And heading into the third and last bedroom. Decent and spacious. This is the shared balcony from the upstairs living room and the third bedroom, and large built-in wardrobes. This is definitely a high demand community to live in, very close to all amenities and also the Arbor School. Very decent sized property. The plot size of the property is over 2,400 square feet with a built up area of over 3,200 square feet. This property is in the market for rent, so if you have any inquiries or want more information, please contact the details provided. Thanks.